An organizer have to be extraordinarily capable with vision and a mission for implementing the thought patterns for a new millennium. Organizers have to be spiritually intellectual, purposefully determined with the power of wisdom, knowledge of the process of yogic evolution beyond all religions. Their life is scientifically meditative with the awareness of one's own divinity, explorable within to cure and heal the wounds or trauma in the psychological minds with mindfulness of power of spirituality and intuitional influences. Hence, organizing spirituality is not a small affair.
A project.
It is a big with inspirational, practical motivation to build the team and a millennium with the exceptional interventions of cosmic yogic spirituality.
As Me House.
It's only for MENONS in the highest 3 syllabus. Global MENONS in the leading styles. Straightness only. Straight, straight right and straight left. Luxuries and ROYL. Kingdom of MESSOULS.
Twenty-fifth is a housewarming day in my organizing calendar. The proposal. When I make 51 crores of my housewarming, the straightness, straight right, straight left, straight. Of course, Religion of Yogic Love will be functioning over there, protecting, guiding, guarding me souls around the globe. It's a global house, international, universal. Unique was leading space in it. So naturally, messengers of love and its activities, everything will be clubbed together in such houses. My housewarming is not for eating out a life. It's a leader's house. So only those who really want me to manifest, they only will think about just investing into it. All those who do not want that type of things, why should they bother about it?